Hey guys, this is Adam. There was a question that came up in regards to a little calculator icon in the math map and also when to use a calculator. Whenever you see the little calculator icon in the math map, those kind of problems are ones that you can use the calculator. That's the reason why they have the calculator icon in the first place, because the arithmetic that's involved in those are a little more complicated. So they allow for the use of the calculator, but many of the problems don't have that icon, and I would recommend not using one for those kind of problems because those problems are going to be with arithmetic that's straightforward. And also, you really actually want to learn how to solve the problem without a calculator. So you should be able to do the numbers and learn how to multiply, divide, add, subtract, and do those arithmetics in order to solve these types of problems. So I would suggest not using a calculator for everything, just for the ones that have the calculator icon. Now, there are some problems in the math map that may seem like they need a calculator because it seems to be too difficult. But if there's no calculator icon, those kind of problems should be able to be simplified enough in order to be able to use to not use a calculator. So, as an example, my son had talked to me about a problem like 29 factorial divided by 27 factorial. And he said, I need to use a calculator because 29 factorial, as you should know, or if you don't know, it's 29 times 28 times 27 times 26, all the way down to times 1. So that's a factorial. So in this case, there would be a lot of multiplication. It would take probably a couple of hours to do. Um, but if you take that kind of problem and you notice that 29 factorial is the same as 29 times 28 times 27 factorial, because 27 factorial is just 27 times all the numbers below. And if you divide that by 27 factorial, those two would cancel out, and all you're left is with 29 times 28, which is you should be able to do that simple multiplication. So that's like an example where you should decide you should be able to learn how to do it without using a calculator. And if you simplify the problem enough, you should be able to do it. So that's all for this video and what I am suggesting about the use of a calculator. Um, I do have other videos regarding the math map and how to use the math map on my channel at Cram the Books on YouTube. So you can check those out as well. Thank you, and be immersed. Be immersed in math. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.